Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you are returning, thank you so much for the continued love and support. Let's talk about some clip-ins. I talked about this on Instagram and I asked you guys if you had wanted a DIY video on how to do your own clip-ins, and that's what we're gonna do today. So let's get right into it. Now, I've been wearing clip-ins, let's say. Clip-ins was how I first started getting into wigs and weaves. I think I first started wearing clip-ins maybe about 6 years or so ago, maybe, I'm not too sure. I just love the versatility that clip-ins give you. You have long, short, however you want. Today I'm going to be using my 2 bundles of HunnyBun hair. If you haven't seen the video on my review of this hair, definitely check that out. I'll leave a link up here for you guys to click. I dyed these bundles. I gave it a dark root, so it has an ombre effect. This is the hair. You guys know it originally came to me totally silver, totally gray. So this is what I did to the root. I went down about maybe almost 3 inches, almost halfway down completely. That's just gonna give me a more blended, natural look. This process is really super easy. It's just kind of time consuming. I am piercing my needle both wefts and then pull your needle through that loop. Helps best if you snap it first. Once you start adding your clips, you want to make sure that you are wrapping around the weft because that's going to damage your track. It's not gonna last as long. So yeah, and you just keep continuously looping over until you complete the rest of the track. I know it's kind of hard to explain in words, but I hope that by watching this video, you're able to see what it is that I'm talking about. I want to make sure that the clips are all aligned the same way. So I'm gonna speed through this so that we can get into how do you actually install the clip-ins. I'm gonna show you guys how to apply the extensions, mixing in your hair. There's so many different hairstyles that you can do with clip-ins. I'm just gonna show you how to install them the way that I was taught, because I feel like this is the most easiest way. Whenever you're applying the extensions, I hardly ever use a comb. I'm gonna be straight ratchet with you guys, like straight real and ratchet. I usually just use my fingers and I'm gonna turn around. I usually just start with the bottom of my head down here. If your hair is real fine, you flip it. You may have to tease the root of your hair so that it'll actually have something to tug onto. Once you have that back perimeter track laid down, here's what I like to do. I just section off the front half of my hair because the front half of the hair is going to, the tracks are going to lay just a little bit differently than they do in the back. So let's get back to the back. When I put clip-ins in my hair, I never put them in the same way every single time. So really, you just have to keep experimenting around with it, you know. Try to make sure that you have even amount of hair in between your tracks. Let's go in with another 3 clip. Secure. Last one. Depending on how big your head is, like you may or may not need all the clips in your 2 bundles. Let's try to get one more piece back here, I think. And you see how like this, like don't even worry about this because we're gonna curl this hair and it's gonna blend. Now we're getting to the front. I'm actually going to go for a middle part. Change my mind. 2 sections in our hair. Now we have 2 sections in our hair, and remember how I said the front is gonna lay a little bit different, and that's because of how everything is going to flow once it's styled. What we're gonna do is to lay it going down the opposite way. You'll see what I mean. And that lets it hang a little bit better, I feel. So I have my clips installed in my head. I have a total of 6 clips in my head. Let's go ahead and it's all gonna blend anyway once we curl. I just have my curling wand getting ready. See, I ain't even got my edges done, but your girl is looking crazy. What I usually do is just split my hair into 2. Makes curling a lot easier. much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you did like it, please make sure to give it a thumbs up so I know to make more hair videos like this. I hope you got all your questions answered. If there's anything that I left out that you are concerned, or if you're trying to do this at home and you have some questions, please do not hesitate to leave me a comment and I would love to help you out. If you like these bundles and would like to purchase your own, I will leave a link down below to purchase your own set of HunnyBun Virgin Hair. Note, you guys, I do benefit off the sale of your purchase, so just beware. With that link that is in my description box, I wanted to make sure that I convey that message to you guys. I will never ever put my name, my brand on a product that I do not genuinely like myself. So although I do benefit, I would never steer you guys to a company that I don't even like myself, so rest assured. But if you would like to purchase some HunnyBun bundles, check the link down below. If you're not already, subscribe to the channel because you made it to the end of this video. And we obviously have like interests and are trying to better ourselves and, you know, up our finesse game a little bit. So join the game. Hope to see you in my next video.